Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on RHEL 10.2. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 132 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we'll unzip this zip file and we'll execute the Tor Browser. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. Now untap this tar file, tar hyphen accept, then tar, then press the tab from your keyboard to automatically enter file name. Enter ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now execute this file. Don't run this with sudo or root account. Just give /start, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter file name. Hit enter. So you got the Tor Browser. Okay. Now verify the version. Help about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0.20. Connect to Tor. Click on connect. This is manual method. If you want to always connect automatically, just turn on this one and click on connect. See, now it is establishing connection. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version 15.0 on RHEL 10.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.